Auntie Nan.
Auntie Nan, open for you. Auntie Dee.
That's for Sophie. Open, Sophie.
Open, rip it. Rip it.
Rip, rip, rip.
Oh, look at it. It's pretty. What is it?
Oh,
Mary,
just like
slippers.
Mama's.
Put them
Yes,
on.
these too.
Put them on, Sophie. Yeah, put them on.
You want to wear them?
Mommy's. Okay.
I think she likes them. Mommy has a pair just like those that Grandma gave her last year?
Yeah.
Year before? Last year?
It's Sophie's slippers.
Who's
Yay!
that? Who's that? Minnie.
Mackie.
All right.
Come on, the last one.
See, you gotta put them on like this. All right, Sophie.
Let's see.
Now we're twins.
Uh-oh, the other one fell off. Okay, stand up and then we'll look at him. Yay! Oh, that foot's...
Huh?
Okay. Let's see. You like your new slippers? Yay! No?
Doesn't like
She doesn't like stuff on her feet. But she likes the slippers.